Dear Professor and dear TAs, welcome to my presentation of the project number two. This is a application. Uh, this is a next generation social media application that combines closer group engagement and seamless shopping experience. It is called Emma, and the theme color is originated from the Amazon application. So we spent 2 weeks to discuss about the objective of this new application, and finally, we found 3 possible directions for the improvement. The first is to provide a closer engagement of users, stores, and brands. The second, the brands can go directly to the influencers rather than advertise on the platform. The third is using chat rooms and forums to discover users' potential needs. During the discussion, we found the pains and the difficulties for the social medias and also the Amazon application. We analyzed X, Instagram, Weibo, Ku, and 小红书. Um, so they are all the popular social media applications, and the pains, for example, search and scan method is not efficient enough for modern applications. Heightened user engagement should be introduced for Amazon. The description part and the QA section sometimes is not helpful enough. They are not really convincing. And difficulties for the social media applications, influencers can dominate the public opinion of a product, and fake biased reviews, some always used for promotion. Here is my own solution. I want to provide a user experience just like the X because we want to attract the users from X. The second is I want it to be standalone rather than incorporated because the current Amazon application is already big enough. The third is I want a user to proactively to search what they really want, to engage in the products, the brand, their hobbies, and finally the communities. So at first, our crafting are basically focused on what we each other thinking about. The first classmate, they majorly focus on the image flows, how to build a vivid image flow, a helpful chat box. The second classmate, she focus on the influencer's main page because she think this will be helpful for the promotion. And I try to combine the forum and chat box together, um, which will be a helpful tool for user to find their solution. And this is my wireframes. I used some of the wireframes from the project one, and also I redesigned some of the very important part of the project two. So let's start with my high fidelity prototype demo. I will show the two of the very important functions that combines the social media with the shopping experience. So the first is when users are interested in something, for example, they want to buy a coffee machine, they can just directly go to the group chat or something hosted by the owner or the manager of for example, Mason's coffee shop. If you have some questions, you can just ask. There are 3 active experts, and they can answer your question as soon as possible. And if you just wanna, for example, learn some knowledge of the graphic card, you can search the graphic card and go to a forum, and there will be very helpful articles for you to reference. You when you click into the article, and here's the image, and this is a advertisement. When you click on this advertisement, it will redirect to the external link, maybe the app or the browser. And now is the second part. When you post something, uh, when you type something, post some images, videos, I think it is also an opportunity for you to help the brands to promote their product. For example, here I provided a template, and when you generate something, uh, pasted some images here, and attach some images, and the platform will offer you a button to ask if you want to attach some advertisement or not. This might be the recommendation from the platform or also your sponsors. And if you click the button, and it will show the advertisement. And now post it. And when other people see this post, when they click into it, they can see this advertisement, just because when people interested in your article, they might also have the demand to buy something. Maybe your maybe a bicycle, for example. In this article is about the bicycle trip. They might buy some necessary tools, maybe drinks. So they will this picture will redirect them to the external link. And that's all for the prototype demonstration. And also, yeah, there are also the short video part. And the trend, I didn't put much time on the trend because I think it is not so related to the shopping experience. And finally, the conclusion, what I have achieved and what I found going over the oh I missed the user test part. Because last week my prototype was still really rough. A lot of the functionality were not finished. They just have a framework, and the template part was really rough. So the response was not pretty good, but they gave me a lot of useful advices. For example, if I should or I should not use AI in a social media platform. Yeah, so finally, um, I gained more experience using the components to create a unified UI style. I'm using more criteria in the user test, which improves my product really fast. There are still many things need to be improved. For example, there are sometimes I get too many ideas, but I don't know which one to focus on, and create really rough prototypes. And then I always ignore the basic user demands, and in general, the Amazon services are not broadly integrated, which I really should spend some time investigate on the Amazon services. So that's all of it. Thank you so much.